Welcome back to the channel. This is Rolling with Sid. A day in the life of a truck driver, a Tyson truck driver. I'm here at the receiver, Food Line Distribution. Been here since 10 a.m. Now it's like 4 o'clock. But whatever. Yeah. You guys like, comment, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, all of that. And I'm just gonna take y'all on a journey, a day in the life of a trucker, driving for Tyson. So, yeah, stay tuned. When you gotta drive on back roads like this, at night, would you be able to do it? Would you be able to do it? It's part of being a trucker. Sometimes you're not gonna be on highways and byways all the time. Sometimes you're gonna be on little roads like this, and you shouldn't panic. It's all right. Just take your time, pay attention, stay off the phone, and stay in between the lines. You ain't got much room to play around with on roads like this. So just pay attention. I don't advise to be doing what I'm doing, like filming and driving. But, you get the picture of what I'm saying. Just pay attention, stay on the road, and stay the course. You'll be all right. A day in the life of a trucker. Just showing you guys what I do. That's all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that. But yeah, I'm basically going to pick up a load in North Carolina to bring it back to Virginia. And I got 2 GPSs running, this one. And yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. So hope you guys like the video, and hope it's informative on, a day in the life of a trucker. But yeah, stay tuned. There's more to come. See, some of these yards got dirt paths. Look at the trailers back there like that. You got to figure out a way to park this trailer somewhere. You gotta be able to do it. It's part of the game, I'ma probably get where he coming out at. That's what I'm probably gonna do. But yeah, this is it. See that trailer back there? Finally picked this load up. All the Tyson yards ain't like this. It's just this one that was like that with gravel lots or whatever. This just an old plane or whatever, but it's part of the job. You got to get it done. I just got this truck washed, and it don't even look like I did it. All that daggone dust on the truck. But I'm headed to Virginia, so I'm gonna take y'all on a journey with me. But they're having a little car meet over there. There was more cars earlier, but yeah. So I'm gonna be headed to Virginia, so
right on US
I'll hit y'all when I get on the way. If I see something interesting, I'll record. But anyhow, all right. Where am I? Made it to VA. About to drop this load and pick up the next. Look at that skyline. Oh, the time to turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Well, I've dropped that trailer at the Glen Allen plant. Other trailers over there. They keep the little chicken coop stuff at. And now I'm headed home for a second, and then I'll be back out in a couple days. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a part of what I do, and it's 1:13, but that's mountain time, so it's 2:13 a.m. and I got 2 hours and 21 minutes left to drive, but I'm about to lay it down. So yeah, yeah. Go. Good morning. Look at the rocks down there. Blah 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 blah. Well, that was my night. This is the morning. This is the morning. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and again, thank you for watching. Let me know what videos you looking forward to me doing next. Hit me down in the comments and let me know what y'all want to see from this channel. Anyway, love you guys. Until the next time, peace.